Google, Amazon, and Meta are looking into generating AI ads. CNBC reports that Google is also looking at ways to leverage its AI model to provide video ideas to YouTubers. Now, it makes you think, if they're starting to generate ads using AI and YouTube video ideas using AI, how long is it going to be until they just completely automate the content creator space? Well, I thought today we'll put to the test what they have publicly available. So I went on Bard and asked them to write me a script from that article. And here's what he made. Today we're going to talk about Google's new YouTube video generator, Imagen. Imagen is a powerful AI technology that can generate videos from text descriptions. Still in its early stages of development, but it's already produced some pretty impressive results. For a bit of background, Google's been developing this for several years and they first announced it this year, 2023. It's based on one of the most advanced language models in the world, LaMDA, recently talked about at Google I/O, link in description. LaMDA is trained in a massive dataset of text and code, and this allows Imagen to create realistic and engaging content. In a recent announcement, Google said that it plans to use Imagen to help advertisers create more engaging and more effective video ads. The company also said that it plans to make Imagen available to YouTube creators so they can create new types of content. There's three main points when it comes to Google's Imagen, or Imagen, whatever you call it. 1. Increased accessibility to video creation. Regardless of your technical skills, Imagen can actually make it more accessible for people to create video content, which could lead to a more diverse range of voices on YouTube. For example, people who just aren't comfortable or familiar with video editing software, or don't have the time or resources to learn it. These people could now create videos with the help of Imagen. This could be especially beneficial for people in marginalised communities who have traditionally been underrepresented on the platform. 2. Improved engagement and effectiveness of ads, although this is debatable whether it's a pro or con, I suppose. Imagen could also make it easier for advertisers to create more engaging and effective video ads. This could lead to more people seeing and clicking on ads, which is beneficial for both the advertisers and YouTube, and even content creators. For example, advertisers could use Imagen to create personalised ads that are tailored to the interests of specific viewers, making them more relevant and more appealing. 3. Potential for misuse. For example, it can be used to create fake news or to generate videos that are harmful or offensive. Additionally, it can be used to create videos that are copyrighted or infringe on the privacy of other people. It will be important for Google to take steps to address this before it becomes publicly available. Overall, Imagen has the potential to be a powerful tool for both advertisers and creators. However, it is important that we're aware of the potential risks and that we can mitigate them before this technology is widely adopted.